back to my channel. Welcome to another video, another fashion video that I put together. So some are from, you see, I'm going to be opening this one. Some are from my closet, and some are from my storage, and some are from stores. I'm just going to share new and vintage. Yeah, I like to call it vintage, and I'm going to share with you. And I want to say this before you go out and do more shopping, guys, ladies, go in your closet. You have something hidden in your closet. You never know. You can pull it together and just style it. Go in your closet before you go out. That's my advice today. Okay. All right. So you see me holding this. This is from last year. I share with you guys. Well, I just think it looks cute with this Walmart dress. I'm wearing Walmart sort of dress, turtleneck, long sleeve. I really love it, and it's so cozy and comfy. This is from Walmart, and it's only $27. Yeah, if you need a sweater dress, it's really long. I pair it with these. I don't know if you guys see all the way down. I don't think so. Or maybe I'll bring you guys down. Back, yeah, right up there. Right? Yeah, right there. This is my Uncle Boo from Steve Martin's. It's just right. I love it long. Yeah, if you don't like it long, you can size down so you can have your perfect length. Okay, so I just share my outfit of the day to you. And let's just jump into today's video. I think I'm gonna push this back like this. I don't know what it's giving. So you guys can see my face, or okay, so let's jump into it. First, I'm gonna share this bodysuit, also from Walmart. You guys can tell, right? Walmart have this brand, No Boundaries. I think I've shared with you guys in my previous video. This is the brand, No Boundary, and it's just skin dupe. The material and the style, it's a dupe from Skims. Yeah, if you don't have money for Skims, go to Walmart and use my link. Use my storefront, okay, in my description. I keep saying that. Thank you for your support. Use it, don't forget. All right, so you buttons like that, two. And size, good question. I got this in size, let me see. Small, yeah, size small, 4 to 6 US. If you're wearing dress 4 to 6 US, 4 to 6, you can get this in small. So it's small, 4 to 6. So for size reference, I'm 5'3", 120 pounds, and I got in small. But this right here, kind of tight a little. I can go away with medium. Yeah, I can get away with medium. So if you want to size up, if you have the same size, I'm 34C up here. Okay, and then here my jeans, my leggings, extra small and 25, and I wear 2 sometimes, so do the math and do your size with my size, and if we wear the same size, it's gonna fit. So cute, and the material is super nice and stretchy, just a little, not too much, but I forget the price. I think it's like $10-15. Not even, I don't think it's all $20. Yeah, like $10-15. So if you don't have money for Skims, go to Walmart. Walmart got you covered, okay, girl? All right, so next I'm gonna do this. I pick up this buckle. I pick up this from buckle, and we have this in there. I love this crop. You're gonna ask me, it's for look, it is good for fall. And it's so simple. I just like the material. I like the way it looks like I'm going to the, to the jungle or something. I'm going to, get some deer in the bush. I try to be funny. All right, so this is in large from Boku. I don't like to say the price. I'm sorry. Go to Boku. You're gonna see the price. That's just me. I don't like it. I like to say the price, but this is so cute. I just love the crop. I like crop. So easy with leggings or with like sweatpants, easy to drop the keys off and pick them up. I just love. All right, so that's from Baku. And then I pick up this in black. Love it. BKE, I think it's the brand. BKE in large. Yeah. And then I just love the details in the back. See, he has like ruffle, or what do you call this? Let me show. Like that, you see. Yeah, I love that. Short sleeves, just a plain shirt, just something easy to go get the kids. I'll take them to school, busy mom's life. And then I pick up these earrings. Yeah, this is okay, I'll do it one after the other. All right, so I pick up this. I love this, so I wear this today. You see, designer dupe, right? Isn't it cute? I love the little ones. I love to mismatch this together, like this one, and this one. Super cute. Silver. This one. Oh wow, gosh, this is gosh. I love them. Got this tiny one over there. This is cute. Yeah. I love this. I love the shape. I love the shape of it. And the one in the middle, also cute. I love this. Alright, so I just love the shape. Look at this one too. I love the shape of it. It's so cute, not too big and not too small, and it's not heavy, so perfect. All right, so that's the earrings. That's the one more. One more. Yeah, we got this sparkling. What is it? Come on, focus. You see it? Can get it focused. Love it. Silver, good, and rose gold. Cute. Oh, there you go. Perfecto. Yeah. Silver, good, and rose gold. Cute. Very cute. It is. To me. Me love it. Me love them all. I love them all. For me and my girls. These are for me and the girls. I think Naima's gonna go for the rose gold, and Nisha's gonna want the silver. Yeah, so these are for me. I don't think they're gonna like this one. But for me and my girls, got the new earrings. Buckle. Did I share this one? I think I did. Yeah, I did, right? I don't know, just in case. I don't want to finish the video and be like, what? There you go. Okay, so buckle's done. Yeah, focus down. Put it back on this side. Focus done. Warm-up's done. Next, I have this one. Oh, yes. I opened it. I opened it. I dig into it. So this is the first one. What's it? A bucket art. Yeah, it's giving bucket art. I love like a sweater material, but not thick. So, and it's not soft. It's just so hard, and it looks like a see-through. So it's a bucket art. This is not for winter or for fall. I don't know. This is looking like just fancy because this is not warm. This is not giving warm. She's not. Okay, I'm gonna take off the tag and try it on. It's giving kind of like see-through material. Let me see if it's a see-through. See, just the way I can just see the light. Well, but it's not warm. It's not warm. It's not cozy. It's just I just like the style, and the material is not bad either, but it's not cozy or giving warm. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay. I'm gonna take this off. I forget I have one. I forget I have one already on my head. Okay. Let's go ahead. See, put it on this side. And put it on this side and see. It's giving. Yeah, love. I love it. It's just so different. So cute. Let's put it in the front and see. Cute. Cute. I just love it. It's so simple. It's not, it looks different than this. This is like way too big, like you're going somewhere special, like party or something. This is too much. This is so simple. I can wear this to the game. And looking simple, not too much, you know. I don't like doing too much. Okay, so let's dig into the rest of it. I'm gonna leave this on for now. I'm just gonna put it on for now. Okay, what's the next? This is okay. I pick up this cozy, comfy sweater. I think I size up. What size? Because it kind of look big. What size? Where is it? What size? Oh, small. So this is small, and this is what it's looking like. I don't know if you can tell with the camera. To know your size, they run big. I think it's oversized. I think they say it's oversized. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. It doesn't say oversized. Or on the website it says oversized. What is it? Can you see? It says hello. Okay. Yeah, but they run big. So if you want it like a little tighter on you, size down. I got this in small, and this is what I got big. Let's see the length. It's all the way here. Yeah, like right there. And I'm 5'3", so do the math before you order yours. If you want it smaller or bigger, now you know your size, because I share my size. Okay, so if you watch my video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. One is this leggings, or capri leggings. Love. Yeah, the short one, not long. I've been wanting a capri leggings. I have one from Guess long time ago, but I got it. But now I see people wearing it again. I was like, oh wow, they're bringing them back. Bring them back, the vintage. Be here for it. Yeah, let's bring them back. They're here to stay. They're not going anywhere. We can pass it around. Like sometimes my girls, they be like Nisha, sometimes she's like, oh, that's not my style. Girl, what's your style? I'm your mama. I know better. Put it on. She's like, no, I don't want to. And Naima, she's not like that. Now she's trying to copy me. She's like, no, it's not my style. I'm like, if somebody give me something at your age, I'm gonna be so excited and happy and just take it. But they're like, no, it's not my style, mom. One time am I telling story? One time we're trying to go out and I tell Nisha, oh, pick my bag, my Gucci bag. She's like, no, I don't want it. It's not my style. I was like, girl, bye. Okay, so let's do this. This is not a story day. All right, so this is an extra small. Love it. The material is like a cotton material. It's not a silk. Oh, I think it's stretchy. Let's see. Stretchy, but not super stretchy. So if you want to up, size up. I'm supposed to get this in small, but I wear extra small on all my leggings. I haven't tried it. That's the problem. I'm planning to wear this soon, and I haven't tried it, and I don't know if it's gonna fit because my regular size is extra small. That's why I go ahead and pick up extra small. I hope I didn't regret it. Okay, so the next one is this coming. Yeah, it is. Comes in white. It says aloe in the front. I'm gonna pair it together with the capri leggings. And then what size? Good question. Sorry. Small. So I got this in small, and this is what it's giving. Looking like this. Okay. Yeah. Small. Okay, so this and then I got this. Also pick up this varsity jacket. I can wear it to the game. I took off the tag? No, I didn't. I was trying to look for the size. What size? Extra small. Yeah, because it's oversized. Big. I love the button down. You can close it. You can leave it open. I'm gonna pair it with this. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna style it. I just put this like that, and then this over like that. I just put it on my shoulder like a cover up, like that. And the capri leggings. Yeah, the capri leggings. I'm gonna do it like that on the bottom, and then I'm gonna do this. Isn't that cute? This is from Amazon. I share with you guys. Yep, it's like a rubbery, kind of like comfy cloth that I got from Amazon. I really like it. I think that's it. I think it's cute together like that. Okay, I'm just thinking in my head how to wear this or wear with or something like this. Yeah, like this. And my scarf, like tie my scarf. This one outfit that I put together, and I think it's cute. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to share it. Yeah, like this. What about like that? This is cute. This is one outfit. Yeah. So this is it. And then you guys remember this I shared. This is the one I wear to my son's game. Yeah, that I shared with you guys in my last vlog. Game day vlog. Yeah, that I do with my family. This is it. So cute. I love the burgundy color. It's giving fall. Alright, so this is it from Hello. Okay, so I messed up my hair. I said, why not just this scarf for now. Tie it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Simple, right? Alright, so this tank dress from Target. What is the brand? Good question. If you go to Target, they always have this brand. Come on, focus. There you go. Inside small. I just love this style. I love the details. Okay, it's kind of different up here, and down here it's a different style. Love it like a see-through. And yeah, and it is sweater material, so I love it. You can wear it for fall. If it's cold, you just throw on like a jacket or sweater. And this is the brand. There you go. Okay, inside small. Alright, so I love it. Not too big, but I try to size down. I got this in extra small, same style. Yeah, I like that one like that, but this one I got it in extra small. I love the color. Same material, same style. I just want to save it for like a vacation or something. Yeah, same thing, just the size. Yeah, extra small. Got this one in extra small. Come on, there you go. Okay, and the length, because I want it to be longer, so it's not, yeah, right there. It hit me where I want it, and happy customer, love it. Alright, so, and I also pick up this at Target. I don't know Target have Levi's, but I saw this. Nisha got it in medium, and I was trying to get it in small. They don't have it, so I got it extra small. I hope it fits. And I don't think it's gonna fit my mom. Yeah, I have to wear myself. I don't think it's gonna fit my mom, but I just love the Levi's in the front. So that's there. And now I think that's it. That's it for the new items that I bought. But now we're gonna dip into my vintage. That's what I got from Target. Let's do Joe Brown. All right, so I'm gonna start with this one right here. I really love this red. Oh, I think I'm gonna wear this to the game. No, it's pink. Yeah, they say pink. Okay. Yeah, so love this red Joe Brown. Super nice joggers. This is the interior. It's super soft. I think I shared this with you guys. And it's extra small. And then I still keep the tag. So this is from my closet. I love it. I don't think they're bringing this back because I check on their website and it's not there, because I want to get it in different size and see if I can give this one to Nisha. Well, they don't have it, so yeah. Right, the next one is this one, vintage. Yeah, this is vintage. I told you guys I collect vintage. This is from my closet. I really love it. I love they don't have this anymore. I try to look for this, but they don't have it. So if you have any vintage item in your closet, don't throw it out. You can still rock it, because this is in size extra small. Joe Brown. Love it. I haven't styled it. I haven't wear it yet. I just took off the tag and it's sitting in my closet. So one day I'm gonna style it, but they don't have this anymore. This is vintage. They're not bringing it back. I don't think so. Yeah. All right. So the next one, also from Joe Brown, is this joggers. It's like the red one, but in beige color. Really love it. Me love it. What size? Good question. I think same size because I wear extra small. I would never go size up with Joe Brown. The joggers run so big. So if you want to order from Joe Brown and you don't want it to be too loose on you, size down. Size down. I think I'm gonna style this with this. Also got this from Joe Brown long time ago. This is also a vintage sitting in my closet. Love it. I think I stained it. Can I stain just a little bit? Okay, yeah. I also have this in black. Yeah. So this is a set, but it's sell separate. So this is a set. I'm gonna wear them together with these bodysuits that I just find from Ross. Yeah, this one is from Ross, sitting in my closet. How much is it? $7. I think I'm gonna do this. No, it doesn't match. It doesn't have to be same color. Maybe I'll do black and black shoes or something. I don't know, but like that, it's gonna be so cute together. I'm gonna style this when I style my sweaters. I'm gonna share my sweaters with you guys for fall. So I'm gonna style them together and share this. Okay? Yeah, so we're gonna style this. I'm gonna show you guys when I wear it. Yeah, I like to do this. This is how I started my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the bodysuit. I like it short. I like when it's short. So nice. Material is stretchy. It's from Ross, like I said. $7. Okay, so next is from H&M. So it's 2 items. I pick up this straight denim in gray. Super nice. I think straight jeans is perfect for fall. I really love it. Size, I got this in, let's see, in Europe 34 US 2. Yeah, that's my regular size, but this doesn't have any stretch, so we'll see. I'm gonna style it, or maybe I'll do it like this, like a long sleeves bodysuit or long sleeve sweater, tuck it in like this. This is cute. Ankle boots. Or maybe with this it's not a tank top now. With this little tiny top that I pick up. Right? This is gonna be so cute together. This like this and my French coat from TJ Maxx. Oh, okay, spicy. Alright, so we're gonna do that. I like the silver buttons because I'm gonna do the gray and then the black coat. But I wish this is like black, but it is rose gold. I don't like that. I want it to be like silver and black. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, the next one is a shirt dress, button down shirt dress from Marciano. This is Marciano extra small. I just love the details. I love the material. This is also a vintage from Guess in my closet. I used to work for Guess. I just love it. This has been sitting in my storage. Nisha was like, Mom, let's go and see if we can find more stuff in your storage. And we went over there. I found this. I was like, wow. My eyes was like, I want to wear it right now. I only wear it once and it's super cute. I love it. I love the color, the floral, right? Like for fall and summer, right? This is so cute. I really love it. It has a slit on this side over there. Super cute. And you can also use it for like a cover up. Yeah, let me untie it. So this is good for like a cover up. Look, yeah, a button down all the way down. It's a very long dress, very long. You can tie it like that on the bottom. If you don't want it to be too big, you just tie it and you leave it back like that. It's just so cute. It's just like you can play around with this dress and it's still gonna look cute. It's a polo neck, like a shirt or a dress. Yeah, me love it. Extra small. I hope it still fits. I'm gonna be mad at myself if it doesn't fit. Buttons on the sleeves. Oh wow, 3 buttons. Like 3 buttons on the sleeves. So cute. I love the color. I love the material. I love this silk material, right? You want to keep it simple, casual, or cute at the same time, you know? Or like a beach, like you go to the beach and use it for like a cover up. Cute. We love it. Told you guys, vintage. I like collecting vintage. Like I knew it. I knew it's gonna be something I can bring back and still wear it. It's gonna last longer. Vintage, we have this vintage BB blouse, sweater blouse. Yeah, let's call it a sweater blouse. Cause it's a sweater material, but blouse because it's a crop. See, and details. I don't know if it's good or silver. I think it's good. Good detailing buttons. Small, right? Small. I say BB. Yep. The vintage sitting in my storage. Right? Do you see? Okay, there you go. Look at the sleeves. Huge. This is big and different. This is so different. I don't know if you can find this anywhere. This is my vintage sweater blouse from BB. The crop. It's right here. It's now like big on the bottom. It's like short from the sleeves. Yeah, the sleeves started from right here, like that, and the waist is just like this. Yeah, tiny waist, and the sleeve is more bigger. The sleeve is more bigger than the waist. Look here. But I love it. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna style this with my other sweater that I'm going to share with you. I also have it in this color, like a mint green, right? Oh wow, also good detailing on the shoulder. Love it. Oh wow, let's see open. Ooh, okay, I never knew that you can open it. Oh, just in case you want to wear it like off the shoulder. Oh, okay, I don't know that. Oh, you can leave it open. You can leave it open and wear it off the shoulder. Oh wow, with the jeans. Okay, cute, same style. The sleeves. Maybe I can wear this with like a white or black. Black leather leggings with a boot. Oh, okay. We'll see. I'm gonna style this. I'm wearing this. You're not going back to my storage. You're not going back to my closet. I mean, you stay in my closet over here, but not taking it in the storage. No, not in the storage. Not in the storage. Same size, right? No, this one comes in medium. I used to do that a lot. I got one size down, one size up, see which one fits better, and I end up not returning it. That's what happened. That's what happened. This is medium. Got this one in medium. Got the other one in small. See, small, and then medium. Medium. See. All right, so that's it from. All right, getting free snacks from YouTube Partner Perks, and we already here. Snacks of the day. Happy Friday, guys. Okay, so I just got my donuts from YouTube Partner Perk for the month of September. Thank you to Partner Perk for these snacks. Today's Friday. Happy Friday, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks, YouTube Partner Perks. YouTube Partner Perks snacks of the day for Friday. This is the lemon. Yummy. That's lemon again. Okay, today's Saturday. Happy Saturday. Good morning. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to football game. Right, so like I said, I'm not sure how fit with you guys, so that's what I'm doing. And the leggings, the capri leggings, I don't know if you guys see the way like extra small. I was like, wow, is it gonna fit? Well, it does fit. It fits so perfectly. I don't know if you guys see. I wasted. Super cute. I love it. Super comfy. Oh my god. I love the material. It's so comfy. Alright, so and this Amazon. Yeah, Amazon flats. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do that. And the jacket, the varsity jacket. Let's take start off. There we go. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. I just put it around my shoulder. I'll cover up. Alright. But I just love this short legging, capri legging. Perfect. I'll do this. Cover my hair. Cover my hair is like that. It's cute. Right? What do you all think? I love super comfy. So easy. Yeah, easy to put together outfits. Yep. So I just put the outfit together. This is like simple, like weekend that you can put together. I don't know if I should wear it like this or just put it on my shoulder like that. I think I'm gonna wear it like this. It's not that cold outside. It's not even cold. Well, I just love it. And then I'm gonna do this. Just gonna do this like this. Isn't that cute? Cute, comfy, casual, not too much, for a football game. Perfect. Alright, so I put my stuff in my bag and then I'm gonna put this down. Oh, I'm doing this. Ready to go. Alright, so it's in my bag. It's in my bag. Alright, so I'm gonna come back and end this video. I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you all so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.
Pass complete to the tight end. Eric Olson. That catch good for Trailblazer Mountain America.
Getting that.
First down.